All right, here's a look at what we have going on. First and foremost, that wind is going to be ridiculous on Halloween. And if you know any mummies out there, you may want to get duct tape to hold on to all of that wrapping, because that wind could just cause it to, blow away. Hold on to the pumpkins as well. Maybe put some sand in those jack-o'-lanterns, and hold on to your beards if you're a dwarf, because, the wind will be so gusty that at the very least they will be horizontally oriented as opposed to vertically oriented. Thanks so much for uploading your photos. Tonight's wind has been strong and it will continue into the overnight hours. Then just before daybreak, it starts to relent a little bit and we'll start to have quiet conditions for our morning. But the wind by midday picks up from the west and we'll have gusts to 50 miles per hour. So we're at 40 mile per hour gusts right now, 50 mile per hour gusts or so tomorrow. The best chance of the strongest winds, Devil's Lake Basin, James and Cheyenne River valleys, right down to Hutch's kneecaps. Right in the Sisseton area. It'll be breezy across northwest Minnesota as well. Wind advisory in effect tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Beautiful setting sun captured by Melissa today, and we captured the same sunset on our time lapse. First in the Devil's Lake area. Look at the beautiful colors bouncing off of the clouds as the sun set on our day. Notice sunset time, 6:45. Tomorrow night will be the last one of 6:45 sunsets, and then it's going to be in the 5 o'clock hour. Here was a quick look at what it looked like in the Grand Forks area. And right now, the 25th Street Bridge there, pedestrian bridge looking pretty quiet, 39 degrees and 39 mile per hour winds out there. Are you kidding me? So we're still near 40 degrees in Fargo and not bad. We've warmed up substantially in some of our northern counties as well heading into the evening. So uniform temperatures, winds gusting to near 40 in Fargo and Grand Forks and Devil's Lake as well. And out in Minot, they're gusting as well, over 20 miles per hour. Satellite continues to show a few clouds streaming along in north of Interstate 94, and your forecast shows the wind continues overnight. I pause this overnight, Mike, in case you happen to be out there walking your ferret. If you are, they're going to be gusty winds continuing until about 2 in the morning, and then the ferret should be okay as we head towards daybreak. Quietest wind of the day. Temperatures in the upper 30s is all we're going to cool to. Then we warm quickly. By noon, some of us may be enjoying our high temperatures of the day in the 1 o'clock hour. After that, we'll start to see northwest winds take hold, and they get mighty gusty with gusts to 50 miles per hour. Again, our western counties will have the strongest winds right down to the Sisseton Hills, but we will still see gusts over 35 miles per hour and a few snow showers as we go through the evening hours. In northwest Minnesota, as far south as, say, Park Rapids and Detroit Lakes, Renegade flurry, not out of the question. So when you start trick-or-treating, we'll be above that freezing mark, but then after that, it's going to dive down as we head towards sunset and beyond, and it'll be windy across the entire board. So gusty and ghouling very quickly into your evening. All right, here's a look at your forecast for the 5 o'clock hour. 30s up north if you're out and about. And in the 5 o'clock hour, we'll still be holding on to a few 40s down south. Thanks for uploading your photo here, Nick. Another dandy with a reflection of the season that's coming. Some colder weather, but not so quick. After we cool down on Sunday with a high back in the 30s, crisp indeed. Next week looks great. Election Day, Mike, will bring us to near 60 degrees, so no weather to worry about on your way to the polls, and 60s as we go through midweek and into your Thursday.
Sure looks pretty good.
It does.
Thanks so much.